Is your Roborock S7 starting to sound less like a high-tech cleaning companion and more like a jet engine taking off in your living room? We feel your pain. The noisy running problem is a common headache currently plaguing many Roborock S7 owners. So, what's the culprit? Our diagnostics usually point to a tag team duo, a faulty main brush and a worn-out filter. When the brush bearings degrade or the filter loses its airtight seal, the vacuum struggles to breathe and spin, resulting in that dreaded clattering or high-pitched whistle. Ignoring the noise isn't just bad for your ears, it's a death sentence for your vacuum. It leads to poor suction, reduced cleaning efficiency, and can eventually burn out the motor entirely. But don't panic. RoboCare has the solution to bring back the silence. At RoboCare, our expertise isn't just general, it's specialized. Our technicians have spent years mastering the Roborock lineup, and they know the S7's internal architecture inside and out. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using precision acoustic testing and mechanical teardown tools, we pinpoint exactly where the friction is occurring. We carefully disassemble the main brush module to inspect for bearing wear and check the airflow integrity through the filter. Once we confirm the fault, we replace the worn-out main brush and the compromised filter with genuine components designed for longevity. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Wow! With a fresh brush and a premium filter, this Roborock S7 is back to its whisper-quiet self. That's the RoboCare difference. Peak performance restored. Ready to silence the noise? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.